So, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Venkat. So, today I will discuss with you number series. So, this part is related to the syllabus is related to all competitive examination, but especially here I am focusing on NTSE. So, National Talent Search Examination for 10th class studying students it is. So, MAT exam is there in stage 1. MAT means a mental ability test it is. So, mental ability test. So, in mental ability test, first topic is number series it is. So, this is the introduction part for number series. Suppose see here what is the introduction part. The example will be given just like. So, 8, 4, 4, 6, 12 dash it is. So, what is the value of this blank? So, either blank is given or question mark is given. Either blank or question mark is given. So, how can you calculate its value? So, 8, 4, 4, 6, 12 blank it is. So, these values are in particular order it is. So, that values are in particular order, particular sequence it is. If you continue the sequence, what is the value of this blank space? That you have to identify. So, I will discuss with you. There are two types of problems. There are two types of questions in number series it is. Before going to the discussion of this, I will discuss with you the types of number series it is. There are two types it is, type 1 and type 2 it is. So, type 1 is you have to observe the difference. Observe the difference between two given consecutive numbers. Suppose observe the examples here, 3 examples be given, basic examples is given. To better understand, I gave only basic examples here. So, observe the basic difference here. Observe the basic difference between two given consecutive numbers. These are the given numbers. So, these are the given consecutive numbers 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 7 are called the given consecutive numbers. You have to observe the difference. What is the difference of these two? Here plus 2. Now, here also plus 2. Here also plus 2 it is. So, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, again plus 2 you have to take. So, plus 2 means here 7 plus 2. How much? 7 plus 2. So, our answer be 9 here. Or another approach is you can say it all are odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7 are odd numbers it is. What is the next odd number? 9 is the next odd number it is. So, 1, 3, 5, 7 next odd number is 9. You can say very easily, or take the difference here plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So, you take plus 2, 7 plus 2. So, 1 plus 2 is 3. So, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 2 is 5. So, 5 plus 2 is 7. So, 7 plus 2 you have to take it is 7 plus 2 is 9 it is. So, our answer be 9. Okay, observe second example here. So, 2, 3, 5, 7. Similar example. Here 1, 3, 5, 7. But here 2, 3, 5, 7 it is. If a number begins with 2. If a number begins with 2, it is the prime number series. If a number begins with 1, it is odd number series. Next odd number is after 7, 9 is the odd number. But prime number series, prime number means it is divisible by 1 and itself only. What is the prime number? It is divisible by 1 and itself only. So, 2 is divisible by 1, 2, 3 is divisible by 1, 3, 5 is divisible by 1, 5, 7 is divisible by 1, 7. So, next prime number is what now? What is the next prime number? 11 is the next prime number. So, 11 is divisible by 1, 11. 9 is not the prime number. Why it is not the prime number means 9 is divisible by 1, divisible by 3, divisible by 9. So, prime number means it is divisible by only 1 and itself. So, 9 is not the prime number. 9 is divisible by 1, divisible by 3 also, divisible by 9 it is. Okay. So, 9 is not the prime number. So, after 7, what is the prime number? 11 is the prime number. So, 2, 3, 5, 7. So, next prime number is 11 here. If you observe the difference, they are not in particular order. Here plus 1, here plus 2, here plus 2. Next either plus 2 or plus 1 or plus 4, we don't know. Okay. So, but this, what is the reason for this? All these are prime numbers it is. Prime numbers it is. So, prime numbers. Next prime number is 11 it is. Okay. This type of examples also. So we have, so in our number series it is, I will discuss with you all models, all types of examples I will discuss with you. So different types of examples are there, basically divided into two types it is, but different models are there. I will discuss with you each and every model. So in this videos it is, okay. So this is the first video. So in this first video I am discussing with you only the introduction part, what is the question model. So series means what are the questions it is, how many types are there, okay. Now see here, third question, observe here, 2, 4, 6, 8, you can say very easily even numbers it is 2, 4, 6, 8, next even number is 10 it is. What is the next even number? 10. So our answer be 10. Or if you observe the difference also here, so 2, 4 means plus 2 here. So here also plus 2, now here also plus 2 it is, now next also plus 2 it is, 8 plus 2, 8 plus 2 is 10 it is. So difference is same, by observing the difference also plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, so you take plus 2, so how much value you got? 10. Or simply you say this all are even numbers it is, 2, 4, 6, 8 even number, next even number is 2 it is, okay. So 1, 3, 5, 7 are odd numbers, next odd number is 2, 2, 3, 5, 7, 2, if a series begins with 2, after 2, 3 is given, 5 is given, 7 is given, all these are prime numbers. If a series begins with 2, it is the prime number, next prime number is 11. If a series begins with 1, it is an odd number series, next odd number is 9. Now here 2, 4, 6, 8, it is difference is same, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, next plus 2, so 8 plus 2 is 10, or all are these are even numbers it is, so next even number is 10. So these are the very basic examples I am discussing to understand, so each and every one what is about series it is. Now the next type 2 is, so when you go for type 2 means, so if you observe the difference, between two given consecutive numbers, if you observe the difference between two given consecutive numbers, that difference may be either natural numbers, that difference may be even numbers, that difference may be odd numbers, that difference may be prime numbers, that difference may be squares it is, that difference may be so cubes it is, it may be any particular pattern we get, any particular pattern. So here plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, or plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, just like, so natural numbers it is, or plus 1, plus 3, plus 5, plus 7, just like odd numbers it is, okay, or even numbers, plus 2, plus 4, plus 6, plus 8, just like even numbers, okay, prime numbers, plus 2, plus 3, plus 5, plus 7, next plus 11 it is, or 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, or 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, the difference may be any one of these it is. So the difference may be any one of these it is, okay. So that is the type 1 it is. I will discuss all types of examples, okay. In the future videos I will discuss with you all types of example, I will give more examples, okay. I will discuss with you more and more example to understand very clearly for each and every student it is, okay. Now here I gave only basic examples for better understanding. Now the second type is here. If the questions are not in first type, means if you observe the difference, if the difference is not in particular order, if the difference is not in any particular order, not in any particular sequence, then you go for type 2. So when you go for type 2 means minimum 7 values are there. In the series, minimum 7 values be given. In the series, minimum 7 values be given, then only go for type 2 it is. Now here only 4 values be given, here only 4 values be given, here only 4 values be given, just like in alternate series, say minimum 7 values be there, minimum 7 values be there, then only go for alternate series. By observing here, two examples be given here. The first example is 3, 7, 4, 6, 5, 5, 6 it is. Now how many values are there? 3, 3, 6, 7 values are there. Now what is the value of this? Suppose 7 values or 8 values or 9 values, so 7 or more than 7 values are given, it is alternate series, that you have to put in your mind, it is an alternate series it is, okay. Now you have to observe only alternate series you have to observe. So what is the alternate series here? If you observe, so 3, 4, 5, 6, now next value got, but we require this one. So start from here, 7, 6, 5, next what is the value? 7, 6 means minus 1. So again minus 1, 6 minus 1, now 5 minus 1. What is 5 minus 1? 4. So our answer be 4. Suppose here one more blank is given, just like comma, and one more blank is given, this series you have to follow it is. Okay, now what is 3, 4, 5, 6, next value be 7. next value be 7. Sometimes it may be given 2 blanks also, dash comma dash, or question mark comma question mark. Just like is given, what are our answers? 4 comma 7 it is. So alternate series 3, 4, 5, 6, next value be 7. Now here 7, 6, 5, next value be 4. Why? Minus 1, 7, 6 means minus 1, 6 minus 1 is 5. Now 5 minus 1 is 4. So what are our options now? 4 comma 7 it is. In the first blank 4, second blank 7. Only first blank is given, our answer be 4 it is. Okay. Now here also by observing, here 7 values be given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 values be given. So it is also an alternate series it is. If you observe the difference between two given consecutive number, there is no particular order. Observe here 2 to 10, 2 to 10, what is here? Plus 8. Now here minus 5. Now again plus 2. Now again plus 1. Plus 1. There are no particular order it is. Observe here plus 8. Now here minus 5, 10 minus 5. Now plus 2, 5 plus 2 is 7. Now 7 plus 1. These are not in order it is. If you observe the difference between two given consecutive numbers, they are not in order. Plus 8, minus 5, plus 2, plus 1, they are not in order. Okay, so then you go for alternate series it is. What is the alternate series? If you observe 2, 5, so 8, 11, so next value got here, but we don't require that. Now observe the next one. This values you have to observe 10, 7, 4. Now what is the series? 10, 7 means minus 3. Now 7 minus 3 again. Now 4 minus 3. What is 4 minus 3? 1. So our answer be 1 here. Suppose here one more blank is given, then 2, 5 means plus 3. Now again here plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8. So 8 plus 3, 11. Next 11 plus 3. How much? 11 plus 3, our answer be 14 it is. 11 plus 3 is 14. Suppose 2 blanks is given, 1 comma 14 is our answer. Only first blank is given, our answer be 1 it is. So there are mainly two types it is in number series. So observe the difference between two given consecutive numbers. That is one of the approach. That difference may be any one of the order. It may be natural numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers, or squares or cubes it is. Okay. Any one of the particular pattern we will get. If you observe the difference between two given consecutive numbers, that is the first type. So if the difference between any two given consecutive numbers is not in order, so if you don't get the series, if you don't get order, then you go for alternate series it is. When you go for alternate series, another condition is here, minimum 7 values be there. Minimum 7 values be given. It may be 7 or 8 or 9 or 10 values be given, but minimum 7 values are there. So then only go for alternate series it is. So observe the alternate values. That alternate values must be in particular order, either plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, or minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, or minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, or natural numbers also plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. So observe the difference between alternate values it is. So they are in particular order, so get the answer it is. So this is the introduction part of number series. Okay, so in the next video I will discuss with you the more examples on type 1 and also in type 2 it is. Okay, so it nearly it covers 7 to 8 videos I think. So in number series I will discuss with you 7 to 8 videos. I will finish it in 7 to 8 videos it is. So this is the introduction part. So the remaining more questions in type 1 I will discuss with you in the next video. Okay, thank you to all of you. Please like, share and subscribe to your friends.